Sarbat can be cooked in a kadai till thickened. Then it is dried under the sun or fan till it gets dry. Tastes so delicious and full of mango goodness.
Now let's check out the recipes. Make medium dices of mango. Make sure the mango is healthy. Now blend all the dices into a thick smooth puree. Now to make sugar syrup, add mango puree and 1 cup of sugar and few pieces of crushed cardamom pods and saute well. And mango puree will get reduced in quantity and it begins to change in color. Now grease the pan and pour the puree and spread over the pan. Don't grease it overly as I did. Make sure that you grease it just for the formality and let it to dry under the sunlight for 1 day. And yeah, just see how delicious it looks. Until the next time, stay tuned with us, enjoy with us, style with us.